G'day and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you some products from Aussie Traveller that have revolutionised your awning setup. They provide more strength and security than any other products on the market. It's the Aussie Traveller Anti-Flap Kit as well as the Aussie Traveller Curved Roof Rail. Now, working in combination, these products provide more strength and more security and a peace of mind when your awning's set up and you're at your campsite. Okay. So it's all good having the best gear on the market when you're traveling around, but if it's not protected, you can find it literally getting damaged very quick and very easily along some of the corrugated roads we drive on. So the canvas bag, I love it. Great thing about it, as you can see, stores all the gear nice and simple and easily. It's got individual pouches, so that way then they're all protected from one another. Otherwise, if you just throw it into the front tunnel box, and they're all just next to each other, they're just going to be bashing and clanging together. So as I said, if I turn around, I needed that rafter out, I can slide it in and out. Then at the same time, when it comes to pack up, throw that flap over the top, roll it up. I've got my tie down straps here to secure it all together, and then you're done. Throw that in the front tunnel box, off we go to the next campsite.